everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today let us see the odd one, okay? The sums on finding the odd ones, okay? These odd ones problems are very helpful in all type of competitive exams. So I'm going to show you some tricks where you can find out these odd ones in seconds, okay? Let us move on to the first problem. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel, okay? Like and share my videos, okay? So the first question is find the odd one among the following. So they are given four options and we have to find out the odd one among this four. Okay? First, see whenever you see the question, what comes to your mind? First is we will do the addition of these all numbers, okay? 1 plus 1 is how much? 2. Okay, 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 7, 8, and 9. 9 plus 2 is how much? 11. So I will write it as 11. Okay, now the same way, let us see to the next number. See, there is 0 has no value, so I am skipping zeros. Okay, 1 plus 4 is nothing but 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. Okay. So here also 11. So next number will add 2 plus 7 is 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. So here also 11. Now let us see the next number. 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 7, 8, and 9. 9 plus 3 is 10, 11, 12. So here when we add, the answer is 12. So here is 11, here also 11, here also 11. So the odd one among these is option D. Okay? Okay. So now let us move on to the next problem. That is, see, find the odd one among the following. So they have given May and January. Okay, 2 months. So what first thing comes to our mind is the days in that month. So let us write the months in May. How many days are there in May? That is 31. I will write. Okay, this is 2 as it is. And in January, how many days are there? 31 days. I will write the same. Now, next, in September, how many days are there? That is 30. Okay. Now, next in November, how many days are there? That is also 30. I will write as 30. Here, till now, if you have done, got any hint? No. So, let us move to the next option. October. In October, how many months are there? How many days are there? October also 31 days. Okay. Now, next in April, how many days are there? In April also we have 30 days. Now, and the last one, let us see. That is, see, in January, how many we have? How many days? 31 days. And in December, we have also 31 days. By seeing all these four, what comes to your mind is, see, 31, 31. You are same. 30, 30. Here also same. Here 31, 31 same. In option C, it's not like that. In option C, 31, 30. So the numbers are different. There is no same days in the months. Okay. So we will tick to option C. This is the odd one. Okay. Now let us see the third one. Find the odd one among the following. They have given some letters. Okay. In this way, you have to find out the odd one. So first of all, let us write the numbers for the letters. See, this is the table I have written. If you also in any type of exams, you can write like this. From A to Z, you have to write the letters, and upon that, you can assign the numbers for that. So in the first option, what is Z? Z has the number assigned is 26. So subtract and see. First, let us subtract with W. W is having what number? That is 23. Now you subtract. 26 minus 23 is nothing but 3. Now see for the remaining numbers also. So B is how much? 12. B option B having T and Q. T minus Q you have to do, that is 20, and Q is nothing but 17. 20 minus 17 is also 3. Now look for the next option. What is the value for S? That is 19. Okay. Minus, what is the value of P? That is 16. So 19 minus 16 is also 3. Now let us see the last option, that is N. N, what is the value of N? Here it is, that is 14. Okay. 14 minus L. What is the value of L? That is 12. 14 minus 12 is nothing but 2. So here what is this, three options are having the same answer, and this option D is having different, that is 2. So the odd one among these is option D. I hope you're clear with this. Okay. So now let us move on to the one more problem. Find the odd one. They have given here the letters and numbers. Okay. So first what we should do is first let us add these numbers. Okay. 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 is how much? 3. Okay. 1 plus 2 is nothing but 3. Okay. See what is the value of C here? Now what number is assigned for 3? The C, that is 3. So C, the value of C is 3. Then it is right. Now let us check for the next one. So 6, 3 plus 6 is how much? 9. Okay. Just look what is the value of J? The value of J is 10. So this might be wrong. So let us see. Let us do the other sums and see. J is equals to how much? 10. The value assigned is 9. If you add, you will get it as 9. So something is wrong. So we will see. So here, now next, 14 plus 11 is nothing but 25. So y is equals to 25. Okay. Correct. Value of y is assigned is 25, and here also 25. Now next, let us add 5 plus 6 is how much? 11. So the value of k is how much? 11. Just check for 11. Yes, it is also there. So which one is wrong? The value assigned is j is wrong. That is 9 it should come. It has come 10. So the option D is wrong, odd. Okay. So now let us move on to the last problem. See, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe my channel and like and share my videos. Oh, so the next problem is we will add, okay, they have given numbers, right? We will add the three numbers. 4 plus 3 is how much? 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. So 8 square is how much? 8 square is 64. This is right. So next we'll see. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 2 is 9. 9, sorry. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 square is how much? 49. Then this is also right. So 9 plus 7 is how much? 16. 16 plus 1 is 17. 17 square is how much? 289. Then this is also right. So then the last one, let us see. 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. What is the value of 12 square? 12 square is 144. So the answer here given is 149. So the option D is odd. That is wrong, and this is odd. Okay, I hope you are clear with this, friends. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe, like, and share my videos. Thank you.